Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Hi friends, I'm here with a short video lecture on English Consonant Allophones. You know my name is Nihar Afridi and you're watching my YouTube channel Learning English with Afridi. And what else? Let's get into our discussion. Okay, let's get started off with the first point. Aspirated voiceless stops at syllable initial position. It means when voiceless stops come at initial position in a syllable, they have to be aspirated. It means they have to be pronounced with a puff of sound. Consider these three words and see the pronunciation of them. Try to notice sound in them as well. Pip, taste, kick. Second point is some voiced stops and fricatives become devoiced. Devoiced means to become what we call it voiceless sounds at two places. First one at an end of an utterance. Okay, consider this utterance and see what sound comes towards the end of it. Try to improve. Try to improve. So this utterance ends in v sound, which is voiced fricative, but it's no more. Okay, it became what we call it voiceless in this example. And the second point is before voiceless sounds. Okay, see this example, add to, add to. So here in this example, d, okay, became voiceless. Why is it so? Because a voiceless sound comes before it. And what is it? T and word to. Got it? Third point is voiced stops and affricates are voiceless when syllable initial, except when immediately preceded by a voiced sound. Okay, I'll try to explain this point with the help of these two examples. The first one is a day, a day, a day. Okay, here da remains voiced stop. Okay, why is it so? Because it's preceded by a voiced sound, which is vowel sound, and we know all vowel sounds are voiced sounds. Okay, but the next example gives a different story. Consider this example, this day, this day. Here in this example, the and word day becomes voiceless. Why is it so? Because a voiceless sound is preceded here in this example, which is in word this. And what is this voiceless sound? S. Okay, just simply because of the presence of this s sound, the voicing of da got changed. And fourth point is voiceless stops are unaspirated after s sound. Okay, consider these three words: spew, stew, skew. And the last point is the approximants are at least partially voiceless when they occur after initial p, t, k. Okay, approximants are basically voiced sounds, but they become voiceless when they come after p, t, k. Okay, consider these three examples. Play. Okay, and what is approximant here in this example? L. Okay, so it became sort of voiceless. Second example is twin. Twin. And the approximate here in this example is wa. Wa. Okay, which is voiceless here. And the third one is q. Q. And the approximate here is ya. Ya. Which is sort of voiceless as well.